Hurricane Idalia continues to deepen, which means she's also strengthening, expected to become a major hurricane, and it could be by the 11 o'clock update. If not, it will be there as we get to just before sunrise as it makes landfall into Taylor County. That's going to be around the Steenhatchee River points north there around Perry, Florida, as it will slowly unwind, going from a Category 3 to a 2 to a 1 here as it gets close to the Swanee River and areas of southeast Georgia. That is the radar. Exact Track 40 currently pointed over to our Tampa radar, where the signature is really showing that eye wall. Even some thunderstorm activity close to the eye wall, which also shows the potential there for that deepening as the heaviest and the wettest of the wet weather is yet to come. Some of the outer bands already reaching some of our southern communities from Flagler, southern St. John's, Putnam, and Alachua. These will continue to spread through the area overnight tonight. Be ready for the patter of rainfall, and then locally heavy rain possible here from I-75 to the west with lighter amounts as we get to northeast Florida. And then by sunrise, making that approach into Taylor County, but by noon to 1 o'clock, even though this is some of the worst of the weather coming through for Jacksonville, I-95, wind gust, and these rounds of rain, you'll see that it continues to slowly unwind. That's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock with just the outer bands and the leftovers there coming through in the overnight hours. I still have said the whole time here, this isn't a rain event, this is a wind event, and watch what happens as it makes landfall as a Category 3 right there along the immediate coast. We could be talking about wind as high as 120 plus miles an hour. There it moves inland, just coming across areas around Taylor County and then moving up near I-10 and US 90. 70-mile-an-hour gusts possible, gets up to about 76 as it sits just to the south of Valdosta, moving across I-75, and then takes aim on northern Ware County, as wind gusts are still going to be sustained anywhere around tropical storm force for the bulk load of the day, with some stronger gusts possible, and that's going to be the hurricane gusts that I showed you there around Lake City, where we could see areas top 75 miles per hour. Once the wind and the rain starts to abate, and that'll take us into around sunset on Wednesday, conditions will improve, and we're just looking at slight chances for showers, even some storms here for Thursday, and then again on Friday, and the continuation of that as we look ahead to the weekend, which will be mostly dry, just a few spotty showers left over as daytime highs will migrate southward, and that's okay. Daytime highs in the upper 80s to the lower 90s. Your Weather Authority forecast complete with tropics updates, always a click away at